Okay, so welcome to this training. This is the first training and this is the first step towards your $100 a day for beginners. That is, most of the people watching this, they are in the beginner stage or they want to start something as a side hustle, that is extra income. So just pay close attention and here I'll explain everything in detail. And for using this is a custom AI, that is custom GPT, and you need a normal chat GPT account for using this. Okay, so just below this video there will be the link, just click it and you can log in using your normal chat GPT account, that is the OpenAI account, and just start using it as I am showing you. So here are the prompts, that is help me create $17 PDF or build a profitable PDF step by step, or turn one problem into a PDF, or guide me to my first digital product. Okay, so just select any of this. For the training I am just clicking this, that is guide me to my first digital product. Okay, so first of all it will ask your name, so just enter your name. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is you have to just you have to specify your whichever things you are interested in, that is 2 to 3 topics that is related to your skills or interest that you already have. Okay, then based on that it will create the PDF. Suppose you have experience in something, that is if you are associated with something, and or you have helped helped someone come out of some situation, or you have some hobby or special interest, then you can use that also, because based on that it will create topics of PDF which are in high demand. Okay, for example, here I am using, suppose, weight loss, or suppose say nutrition, or say, okay, actually my main interest is in funnels, ads, etc. But for the training the purpose of this training, I am just using this so that you can see how the process flows. Okay, okay, so based on your interest, here are 5 powerful niche ideas, niche or market you can say, and in demand, and those are great for $17 to $27 PDF. And if you sell any 2 or 3 of this per day, then that is close to about $100. See, number one is busy people weight loss program, or no gym fat loss for beginners, Indian balanced diet for weight loss. As you can see, these are the total 5. And next thing you have to do is which one niche or market do you want to choose. For example, I am choosing this one. You can select any of this, because the output it is giving, everything is in high demand. So just select any of this and proceed to the next step. Okay, so I've selected this, and what we'll do is it will as you can see, this niche is perfect. And just wait a minute, for beginners and a strong demand, because it removes the biggest excuse people have, that is I don't have a gym. Okay, so it is based on no gym. Now whatever you enter, it will give the reason, and then it will find the strong pain points of that particular niche, and pain points is what you are going to solve, and people are going to pay you because you are providing a solution to their problem. So these are the top 5. Next you have to do is choose one pain point that you want your PDF to solve. For example, I don't know where to start without a gym, or I start but can't stay consistent, or I am not seeing results even after trying. I feel lazy and unmotivated at home. I don't know what to eat for fat loss. So just select any of this. For example, I'm selecting this one. I'm not seeing any results or results even after trying. Okay, as you can see, you just need to enter your the interest, a topic of say, topic of interest or hobby just once, and next everything is programmed into this particular AI and it will guide you step by step. Okay, so these are 10 powerful PDF title ideas. So as you can see, this is number 1, why you are not losing fat even after trying, and the simple fix that works. No results, no problems. The beginner no gym fat loss reset. Stuck weight breakthrough plateau without gym or extreme. And these are high demand, and this will sell at $17 to $27. Okay, so just select on any of this, and for example, let me choose this, the hidden mistakes killing your fat loss and how to fix them fast, because many of the people, they want to know what mistakes are they doing and how to fix that. So I'm just selecting this. You can select any of this, whichever you are, you can relate most to, you can just select that. Now what it will do is that it will generate the outline, that is the title which you have given. Next the outline, that is intro, then preface, then table of contents, then chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4. As you can see, now what it will do is that now we start creating the actual content. We go one step at a time. So what you can do is that just open a Google Doc and start copying this. That is the introduction. So just paste everything, copy this. As you can see, please copy the introduction into your Google Doc. So just open a Google Doc, then just copy it, and after you have copied, then just press done. And then what it will do is that just see what it is doing. It will generate the step 2, that is the preface. Now copy this. After it has generated the preface, just copy it. Okay, and after you have copied the preface, that is first it was introduction, then preface, then again just write done, and then it will generate the next step, that is probably chapter 1 or table of contents. It will just one by one. So within say 5 to 10 or maximum 20 minutes, your entire Google Doc will be ready, and you can save that as a PDF, and your high demand PDF will be ready. So as you can see, in the beginning what we did was we just entered this 2 to 3 topics or skills or interest, and everything else, it was based on that. That is, first of all, it found out the powerful niches, then the problems, and the main pain points of that particular niche. Then based on the pain points, you selected one, and it created the entire PDF, 10 PDF titles. And when you enter any of the PDF titles, it generated the total content of your PDF, including the outline. And you just have to just copy it into a Google Doc and press done, then copy the next thing, then done, and your entire PDF will be ready in no time. That is within maximum 15 to 20 minutes. Your high demand problem, the PDF will be generated, which will be a problem solving PDF. So people will happily pay you money to get access to the information which is inside the PDF. Okay, so as you can see, this is very easy. Below this video you can find link to this particular GPT. So just log in with your normal, that is a free ChatGPT account, and just follow the steps and your PDF will be ready. And after it is generated, you can just write something like this, say generate a cover image for the PDF. Okay, so it will also generate the cover image, which you can put in the Google Doc in the say first page, and then just after everything is completed, you can save this particular say Google Doc as PDF, and it will be ready. Or even you can sell that Google Doc directly, and that's all. Okay, so let's see what information, what sort of image it is generating, and then we can end this video. Okay, so as you can see, it's really simple. We have we have included each and every instruction in this particular custom GPT, that is $100 a day for beginners, so that it becomes really easy for you. Because the main problem which most people face is lack of ideas, that is what PDF title to use, what market to enter. So we have removed all those things. You just need to enter your interest or hobbies or whatever problem if you have solved or you are facing right now, just enter that, and then everything will be taken care of and you can get your entire PDF ready. Okay, so as you can see, the hidden mistakes killing your fat loss and how to fix them. Okay, so a nice say your cover image is also generated, so your entire PDF can be ready. Just follow the steps, create your PDF, and then move to the next step, that is the second video. You can find below this video. Okay, so that's all for this video, and bye for now.